Consider this scenario. You have a long list of partial address, not a full complete address, and you have a website where you can search for complete address using that partial address. That website will give you a list of options and you need to collect all of those. And if your search list, that partial list, is let's say 300 or maybe 1000, isn't it boring to get all the list manually one by one? Let me show you a real demo where you can create a one-click solution. You can provide that list and click on a button and it will get all the matching addresses. As you can see in this website, I can type out some partial address and it will give me a list of available options. So let's suppose if I try this one, and if I put it here in the search box, and if I click on this search, then you can see it gives me address search result, right? So I can see I have one found address for this particular partial text, and I need to collect all of these addresses search. So let me go with something else, like let's say this one. So you can see if I do this manually, it's a very boring task, right? You need to collect this, 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 and so on. And it's just for one partial address. And now just think that if you have 1000 or 10,000 of search addresses. So let me show you this, that what I have done in this one, that I have designed a Power query code, and even you don't need to save this file as a macro enabled file. So you can just go there, right click and click on this refresh. It will take a little while to load all the properties, and once done, it will collect all the records for those addresses, and that's it. So isn't it cool? Let me know if you have this kind of task where I can help you save a lot of time. Have a good day.